there, it's Ashley from WTI. Bentgo makes a variety of really great products for kids. I love this dinosaur water bottle. It has a few features here that I find are really helpful when you have kids, such as the handle here. It's a silicone handle and it's enough for their hand to fit in really well, and it's soft. I also like the fact that this is a flip top lid. So they simply pull the tab here and the spout comes right out. It's a soft silicone spout, which is also really nice, especially if you have a young one that is just learning how to drink out of a straw. It's nice and soft. And then when you open it up, I like that this is an angled straw. So if you see here, it puts it at an automatic angle as opposed to most cups that just go straight down. So this really allows for all of the liquids to be consumed. Another great feature is that all of this comes apart, the straw from the inside silicone, and it can be disinfected. So my son loves this cup. It has this really cool design here with all of the dinosaurs, the volcanoes, and it's nice, bright, colorful. I think that your kid will really enjoy this too, but that's just my point of view.